Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locating the safety data sheet for the product you'll use. This is step 1. Check the label, the facility binder, or the manufacturer's digital file. Make sure the header shows product ID and a recent revision date. Once found, scan sections 1-3 to learn the hazard classification, signal words, and ingredients. This tells you why controls are required and which PPE to pick. Make sure to record the SDS location for quick access during an emergency, and then move to exposure controls. Once you've reviewed the header and composition, dive into sections 4-8 to assess immediate risks and required protections. You'll learn first aid actions and firefighting measures, then check exposure limits and recommended PPE. Use that information to select specific respirators, glove materials, and eye protection. This is why the SDS matters. It links hazard to control. Make sure to set engineering controls, like local exhaust ventilation or secondary containment, and label storage areas to prevent incompatible mixing before any handling begins. To complete the task, follow sections 9-13 for safe handling, stability information, and disposal instructions. These tell you how to store, transport, and dispose legally and safely. You must document training, post-emergency contacts, and post-spill response steps where workers can see them. Once done, verify labels and update the SDS file if substitutions occur. If something goes wrong, if you are unsure about exposure limits or reactions, stop work, isolate the area, and contact A&S or the manufacturer immediately for guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.